Alright, YouTube, we are in the Celica and it's upgrade time. Been a long time coming for this because, well, there are more important things to get done on this car than a car stereo. And this one worked, but it's kind of wobbly in there. It isn't the greatest, it's hard to read and use, so upgrade to one of these. Found this at Walmart for $95. You know, it doesn't have Apple CarPlay or anything, but just wanted it for a quick upgrade, and mainly because it has Bluetooth. So let's hope this goes well. All right, so we got the center console out. Very easy. This trim here pops out. There's a screw there as well. Take the knobs off for the climate control, of course. And there's a screw there and there. And there's the double din. I mean, look, it was just sitting in here. Not even mounted. It just slides right off. So no wonder it was wobbly. Oh, it does have a mount, but it broke. That's why. I see. That one's okay. But let's get this unplugged. Hopefully this one is a quick plug and play. So we've got power to my new radio. Gosh, what a mess that was with this Kenwood adapter and getting everything hooked up. But no comment on the wiring. I'm just glad it is done. So let's set up our preferences here. English. This is America. Oh, awesome. This looks way better. I'm going to get this baby put in and we will be jamming in the Celica. So we got the radio in. This looks great. It sounds awesome too. Big upgrade. This is a Pioneer radio I got from Walmart on sale for $95. Doesn't have Apple Play or Android Auto, but this is a huge upgrade from what it was. Let's get this put all back together. So junkyard Celica update. Found a, what year is this? 03 GT. I need these radio brackets. So perfect. Mine didn't have it and I got my new touchscreen installed. So we will add these to the touchscreen and we should be done with the radio. I actually got the climate control bulbs out of this car a few weeks ago. So glad to see it's still here. Alright, so let's take these bolts off. I needed these brackets here, 10 millimeters for holding them in here. And my radio will be all set and flush with the dash. This one had the JBL system in it, so as you can see, it's been, I even took the sunroof a couple of weeks ago. But all kind of goodies in here. So we pulled the radio out. Authentic JBL Toyota Celica radio. And I need these brackets, so we're going to unscrew these. I got the bolts already. Take this home and hook it up. Here, let's check on a Celica that just hit the lot. Actually last week. Looks like a red one, of course, duh. Out of breath there, but does it have the radio? Yes, it has the radio, and the interior is pretty complete. And the key. Let's check this one out. So this Celica here in the junkyard looks actually fairly decent. GT model, but I hope that clock works. I could use that clock too. So let's get tearing apart on this one. So a success. Got my radio brackets and a clock I'm going to try. If this clock works, I'll be so excited because mine doesn't work. But successful day at the junkyard. This was a Celica that just got here, so it had pretty much everything in it. LKQ is where it's at. So I'm going to check in the back here and see if there's anything I could use, but I think that is all. Let's get home and wire this radio up the right way. Alright, so I've bolted my radio mounts in I got from the junkyard. I got both mounts and a clock for $7 at LKQ. However, my poor clock still doesn't work. Gonna have to try to figure that one out. Leave a comment if you know. I don't know why this is like that. There's absolutely no telling. So let's get this back together and I'll show you how it looks. So we are all put back together. This project is done. We got this Pioneer radio on sale at Walmart for $95. USB, Bluetooth, you can answer calls. It doesn't have like Apple Maps or, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. but just with quick fix compared to what it was, so can actually have some fun now, and actually a decent radio. And this car never had the radio mounts, the factory radio mounts, so the other one was shaking, and this one's nice and flush. So leave a comment, hit like, share. Thank you.